Welcome friends, in this video we will discuss numericals based on the Henry's law. The first numerical is calculate the solubility of hydrogen gas in water at 35 degrees centigrade if its partial pressure over the gas is 760 torr. Assume that the density of the solution is the same as the density of the solvent. Henry's law constant for H2 gas in water is 5.34 into 10 to the power 7 torr. So here you have to calculate solubility of H2 gas in water. This is based on Henry's law. So according to Henry's law, the mathematical statement is P gas is equal to Kh multiplied by X gas. That is, partial pressure of a gas is equal to the Henry's law constant multiplied by mole fraction of the gas. In a numerical, partial pressure of the gas is given 760 torr and Henry's law constant is given for hydrogen gas 5.34 into 10 to the power 7 torr. Here you have to calculate solubility. Solubility means you have to calculate number of moles of hydrogen gas in a water or in given solution. So you have to calculate number of moles of H2. So we know mole fraction of hydrogen gas can be written as number of moles of H2 divided by number of moles of H2 plus number of moles of water. Since this solution is a dilute solution, we can assume that number of moles of H2 is very less than number of moles of water. So the addition NH2 plus NH2O can be approximately written as NH2. So the formula of mole fraction for H2 becomes NH2 upon NH2O. Now here you have to calculate number of moles of water. For that, first we calculate number of moles of water. Here in numerical we consider that the total volume of a solution is 1 liter and density of the solution is the same as the density of solvent. That means density of solution is same as the density of solvent, that is density of water. So therefore we consider weight of solvent, that is water, is equal to 1 kg, that is 1000 gram. So using this you can calculate number of moles of water as NH2 is equal to given weight 1000 gram divided by molecular weight 18 gram. So number of moles of water are 55.55 moles. So using Henry's law, X gas is equal to P gas upon Kh. X gas is NH2 upon NH2O, that is equal to pH2 upon Henry's law constant of hydrogen gas. So NH2 is equal to pH2 multiplied by NH2O divided by Kh of H2. So put the values. Partial pressure 760, number of moles of water and Henry's law constant, you will get the answer 7.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter. So this answer is the solubility of hydrogen gas in water, 7.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter. So this numerical is based on Henry's law, where gas is dissolved in solution. Now next numerical is, second numerical is the partial pressure of methane gas over a saturated solution containing 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 gram of methane is 1 bar. If the solution contains 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 gram of methane, then what will be the partial pressure of a gas? So here two conditions are given. In one case, weight of gas and partial pressure of gas is given. In second case, only weight is given. We have to calculate pressure. Now here we use Henry's law or the another form of Henry's law, which is given by M is equal to Kh into P. Here M is the mass of the gas, Kh is the Henry's law constant for that gas and P is the partial pressure. So in numerical there are two conditions. In first case, mass of the gas is given 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 gram and partial pressure is also given 1 bar. In second case, mass is given and you have to calculate partial pressure. Now since in both cases the gas is same, that is methane, we use the Kh calculated using first case in the second case. So using first case, calculate the value of Kh and use that in second case. So Kh for first case, Kh is equal to m upon P. Mass is, put the value of mass, put the value of pressure, you will get Henry's law constant 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 gram per bar. Use this in a second case for calculation of partial pressure. P is equal to m upon Kh. Mass is given, pressure, then Henry's law constant is calculated, put both the values, you will get partial pressure of the gas is 0.714. So mass changes, here partial pressure also changes. So this is another form of Henry's law in which if mass is given, how to calculate the partial pressure.